I'm looking to go on purpose out the exact way we came. Partly for my benefit. Oh, okay. Yes. Well, maybe just make this small exception. Not go under the tree. But really want to go. Okay, yes.
So you think this took a billion, trillion, gazillion years to form?
Well, my brain can't quite wrap around the number of steps it took. But when you see so many different things that you know it didn't happen in one step.
Right.
And it looks like it just took bunches of steps. And you can't tell how long any of them took. I can't put an upper limit on how long it could have took.
Well, really, I was being facetious.
Yeah. But like,
I wasn't being...
if it took hundreds of millions, I guess so. Maybe.
I think when the flood came and the earth was ripped.
Mm.
It said in the flood the earth was ripped open.
Yeah.
So if it was ripped open, what's to say it all closed?
Well, I couldn't. What's to say anything? I don't know.
I don't either, but it's like if the Earth, which some people say, even scientists say that the Earth is older than 6,000 years. You know, I look at it and even I can go with that. I think in the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. So, I mean, I believe that the earth is now I believe the process of putting life here on this earth was a 6,000 year process.
Life as we know it now.
Life as we know it. But
yeah, I think you could be right. Could be right.
But as far as the earth itself being older than 6,000 years, I say absolutely. I believe the earth itself, you know, wasn't created and then all of a sudden, blah, blah, blah. It's been here for quite a while. But the process of creation, taking 1,000 year days, I'm good with that.
Yeah.
Because you think about it, I mean, everything, God created a lot of things to reproduce, to populate.
Yeah.
So if God created things to reproduce, to populate, it takes a while to populate. If you just start with 2, anyway, I'm not saying I'm sticking with it, but
yeah.